Hey everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today we're going to break down how to easily turn off Wi-Fi calling on your iPhone. Alright, let's get started. First thing you need to do is open up your Settings app. Then, scroll all the way down until you find the Phone app. Tap to open it. Next, scroll down in the phone settings until you see the Calls section. You should find Wi-Fi calling right there. Go ahead and tap on that. Okay. Now you'll see a toggle switch. If Wi-Fi calling is on, it'll be green. Just toggle it off to disable it. And that's it. Wi-Fi calling is now disabled, and you can just go back to using your iPhone as you normally would. Hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. Remember, this is just my personal experience, so your mileage may vary. I'll leave some helpful links in the description below. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching.